Listen carefully. There's a version of you that never asks for validation. A version that walks into any room and dominates with silence. A version that's unfazed by rejection, betrayal, or applause. Most people will never meet that version because they never develop what I'm about to teach you. Dark confidence, not fake arrogance, not loud ego, but the kind of power that makes others feel your presence before you speak. Watch this video till the end, because I'm going to show you how to unlock this dangerous trait, and by the end I'll give you a challenge most men will be too afraid to accept. But if you do, your entire life will change. Part 1. What is dark confidence? Dark confidence is not about being cocky. It's about knowing who you are and not needing the world to agree with it. It's the opposite of the nice guy. The nice guy waits for approval. He seeks permission to speak. He wants everyone to like him. But the man with dark confidence, he doesn't beg for acceptance. He forces respect through presence. It's not loud. It's not needy. It's silent. It's potent. And it's rare. Visual. A man sitting in a room full of noise, calm, controlled, sipping coffee while others stress around him. Most men today are lost in validation loops, chasing likes, compliments, attention. But those things don't build real confidence. They build addiction, dependency. Dark confidence is forged in solitude. It's not gifted, it's earned. Part 2. The psychology behind dark confidence. There are 3 psychological pillars of dark confidence. 1. Radical self-ownership. You don't blame others. You don't play victim. You take full control, even when things aren't your fault. She ghosted me? Cool. I let her in too early. That's on me. They didn't believe in my dream? Good. I believe in it enough for all of us. This mindset makes you unbreakable, because no matter what life throws at you, you're not waiting for anyone to save you. 2. Embracing your darkness. Dark confidence doesn't hide the shadow. It uses it. Your pain, your anger, your past rejection. Most men suppress it, but the confident man uses it as fuel. He doesn't avoid the darkness. He integrates it. This is where power is born. Not from perfection, but from wholeness. 3. Emotional independence. You're not swayed by compliments, and you're not crushed by criticism. A confident man is emotionally sovereign. She praises you? That's nice. But you already knew your worth. She ignores you? Doesn't matter. You're still a king. The man who needs nothing is the man who can gain anything. Part 3. The habits of a darkly confident man. 1. Speaks less, observes more. Silence is power. While others talk to impress, you observe to understand. 2. Maintains mystery. You don't overshare. You reveal yourself slowly, like a movie that keeps getting better. Let others guess. Let them wonder. 3. Deliberate eye contact. You don't stare with aggression. You lock eyes with calm dominance. Hold it just enough to let them know you're not intimidated. 4. Moves with purpose. No fidgeting, no rushing. You walk, talk, and act with precision. Every move says, I belong here. 5. You do hard things. Alone. You don't need an audience to hit the gym, to read, to hustle. You do it even when no one's watching. That's what builds real inner power. Part 4. The origin of dark confidence. Pain, rejection, and isolation. Dark confidence isn't born from success, it's born from pain. When you've been rejected, when you've been abandoned, when you've been laughed at, cheated on, left behind, you have 2 choices. Shrink, become bitter, stay broken, or rise. Use the pain to harden your core. Every time life hits you, don't run. Let it burn, let it sting, and then turn that into fire. Isolation creates identity. When the world goes silent, your true voice emerges. That's when you realize you don't need them. They need you. Part 5. Dark confidence in dating and relationships. Here's the truth no one tells you. Women are not attracted to men who try too hard to be liked. They're drawn to men who know their value and don't negotiate it. Dark confidence in dating looks like not chasing, not begging, not over-explaining, not reacting emotionally to games. It means you can walk away without flinching. Why? Because you know one thing most men don't. You are the prize. You're not auditioning. She's being evaluated too. You don't need her, but she'll want you because you're rare. Part 6. Social situations. How to command presence. Dark confidence isn't about being the loudest in the room. It's about being the most grounded. Here's how you do it. Don't try to be liked. Try to be real. Don't fill silences. Let others feel the tension. It builds presence. Don't laugh to fit in. Smile when it's genuine, not when it's expected. Be unpredictable. People respect those they can't easily categorize. And most importantly, stop explaining yourself. You don't owe your story to anyone who hasn't earned your trust. Part 7. How to build dark confidence. Practical steps. Discomfort every day. Do one thing daily that makes you uncomfortable. Cold shower, difficult conversation, hard workout. Pain builds presence. No social media validation for 30 days. No likes, no stories, no fake flexes. You'll realize how addicted you are to being seen. Then you'll learn how to shine without attention. Own your schedule. Sleep with discipline. Wake with purpose. Cut out aimless scrolling. This gives you mental sovereignty. Shadow work. Write down your fears, your shame, your regrets. Then ask, how can I use this to grow? Turn wounds into weapons. Create a silent morning routine. No phone, no noise. Just you, your mind, and your goals. This is where clarity and confidence are born. Part 8. Most men will watch this video and forget it. They'll scroll to the next distraction, and nothing will change. But if you've made it this far, I have a challenge. The 7-Day Dark Confidence Protocol. Day 1. No social media, not even once. Day 2. Do one thing that terrifies you. Day 3. Wake up at 5 a.m. No excuses. Day 4. Speak only when necessary. Watch how much energy you save. Day 5. Write down 10 painful memories and what they taught you. Day 6. Talk to someone you usually avoid. Hold eye contact. Day 7. Spend 1 hour alone in silence. No phone, no music. Just you. We're watching. The world doesn't need more talkers. It needs more dangerous men with silent power. You were never meant to beg for respect. You were meant to command it, with presence, not noise. With action, not excuses. The art of dark confidence is not about becoming someone else. It's about unburying the version of you the world tried to tame. He's still there, waiting, ready to rise. But only if you're bold enough to stop chasing comfort and start embracing the shadow. This is Silent Tribe. And now, you've been warned. Subscribe for more Silent Power comment, challenge accepted. If you're starting today, share this with one friend who needs to hear it.